All right, so today's lesson, we are still in transformations and we are looking at rotations. And the reason why is because we should be able to perform rotations of figures on the coordinate plane. Let's take a look at our learning target and success criteria. The learning target is we'll learn how to rotate figures in the coordinate plane, and the success criteria is I can apply rotation rules using the coordinates. I can read the rotation rules and I can graph the rotational figures. Here is your warm up for today. You guys are going to translate figures 1 and 2 as well as reflect. And I'm going to go ahead and try to blow this up so you can see it. So we have figure 1, and it's asking to translate 2 units to the right. Question 2, we have figure 2. It says go 5 units left and 2 units up. Question 3, we have reflection across the x equals 2. Remember that x is going to be a vertical line which goes straight up and down. So x equal 2 will be here, and you guys are going to graph over that line. And then finally, we have reflection across y equals -1. And again, y equals will be horizontal, well, left to right, and -1 will be right here. So this is what you guys will do on the warm up. And again, I will go ahead and just draw the line to make it a little bit easier. But x equals 2, that's 1, that's 2 here. So this is x equals 2. And then y equals -1, we'll go right here. And I will put the warm up on the sheet of graphing paper. All right, so there's 2 videos that I would like to show or for you guys to watch. The first one is only 1 minute and 46 seconds, and then the other one is 5 minutes, and they actually show doing rotations using a smiley face, and I'll try to play it during class time today. Here is a review, translation review. Remember that translation slides. Um, if it goes right or left, okay, that changes x, and if it goes up or down, that will change y. This means that if a figure moves right or left, we add or subtract from the original x coordinates, and if a figure moves up or down, we add or subtract from the original y coordinate. So the question here says point A, which is 3 and 5, if I translate 2 units to the left and 4 up. Again, remember that we're doing, you can just write the rule. So if I'm going 2 units to the left, that means you should be subtracting. And then if I'm going 4 up, that means you're going to add. So they gave you the answer already, but this is what it will look like if you show it algebraically. We have 3 minus 2 to x. And then we have 5, which is my y. And remember, you can label your x and y. And then 5 plus 4, which means that your new coordinate will be 1 and 9. All right, so this is how rotations work, guys. You have a 90-degree rotation, which is considered a quarter turn, a 180-degree rotation, which is considered a half turn, a 270-degree rotation, which is 3/4 turn, and then when you do 360, if you do a 360 rotation, it's a full turn, and it'll put you back in the position you start. It's 2 ways to read to do rotations. You have clockwise, which goes in the direction of a clock, which is this fan spinning this way, and then you have counterclockwise. So clockwise goes to the right, and counterclockwise, which is this other pinwheel here, it goes to the left. So it's going to spin the opposite direction. Okay, so in this activity, we're going to rotate this figure ABC, and we're going to do each rotation. So you're going to do a 90-degree, 180, and 270, and it'll be easier to actually apply the rules. So I'll go through this during class time.